Two of the biggest website builders face off, Wix or Jimdo, which actually gives you more for your next website. On the left, we have the popular, feature-rich Wix, and on the right, the streamlined and user-friendly Jimdo. We're testing what really counts: ease of use, customization, pricing, support, and overall value. Skip the marketing hype. Let's look at the real pros and cons. Each round gets scored, so by the end, you'll know exactly who deserves your time and money. And trust me, the winner might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, here's what we'll look at. Imagine a mind map popping up right now. First, pricing. And then, ease of use. Also, design and flexibility are a huge deal. Features and apps, obviously. We'll talk performance. That's like how fast your site actually loads. And finally, support and community. These are the categories we're going to judge these two on, starting now. Let's kick things off with pricing, because nobody wants to get ripped off, right? Wix actually has flexible plans and a pretty solid free version if you don't mind their ads stuck everywhere. But if you want the fancy stuff, those plans can get a little pricey, especially if you start adding features. Jimdo is cool because their paid plans are just, flat out cheaper. And they make it super clear when it comes to renewals, so no sneaky surprises there. Although, fair warning, the free plan is pretty bare bones. Honestly, in a battle of who's easier on your wallet, Jimdo slides ahead here. Now, ease of use. Wix uses classic drag and drop that means you just plop stuff down wherever. They even have this AI builder, which is kinda wild, but to be real, there's a lot in there and it can get overwhelming pretty fast if you're not used to it. Jimdo though, it's like totally the opposite super guided setup and really, really simple. Almost like building with Lego blocks. Less freedom than Wix, yeah, but if you're a beginner or you just don't want to think too hard, Jimdo totally nails it. Alright, let's talk design and flexibility. This one is fun. Wix has, no joke, hundreds of templates. And you can basically make anything look the way you want. If you've got some patience, because there are so many options, it might actually freak you out a little. Jimdo? Their layouts are nice and super mobile friendly, but the templates are more limited. And worse, once you pick a template and hit publish, you're kinda stuck with it. So if you want to change things up a lot, that's gonna bug you. Design lovers, this one, hands down, goes to Wix. Oh, and here's something cool. Both Wix and Jimdo actually started around the same time, back in 2007. Just a few months apart. Isn't that kind of wild? Talk about website builder destiny. Now features and apps. Oh, here's something cool. Wix is like a feature bomb, advanced SEO, e-commerce, bookings, memberships, and an entire app market. But catch is, a lot of the heavy hitter stuff needs a premium plan. Jimdo? It does the basics. Simple SEO, basic online store, but integrations and apps? Way fewer. So if you want more than just a plain website, Wix is honestly hard to beat here. So how about performance? You want your site to load fast, don't you? Wix offers good uptime and responsive designs, but their sites can get a little bloated, especially when you go crazy with features. Jimdo, meanwhile, is speedy. Their pages are definitely lightweight, so they load up quick. Sure, you might run into growing pains later, but for simple sites, Jimdo actually has the edge. Last category, support and community. With Wix, you've got a massive help center, active forums, and even 24/7 support if you pay for the premium plans. But okay, emails can be a bit, slow to answer. Jimdo? Their email helpers are friendly, their guides are simple to follow, but their support hours are much more limited, and honestly, not that many people are hanging out in their community forums. So if you want answers fast and a bunch of other users to chat with, Wix is the move here. If you picture a radar chart with all these categories, you'd see Wix kinda dominating at creative power and features, while Jimdo punches above its weight at keeping things simple, affordable, and fast. It's like, which superpower do you want in your builder? So honestly, if you want total creative control to build pretty much whatever you want, go Wix. But hey, if you just want to get online, like 5 minutes from now with zero fuss, Jimdo's not gonna let you down. Either way, it's hard to lose. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.